Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain Volvo software hiring for freshers who are all going to pass out in 2021 students. They can apply. The vacancies will be 29. Job location will be Bangalore. Eligible courses B btech specialization in electronic computer science information. 2021 passed out batch with no active block they can apply. 65 through their in academics and 10th to 12th. This is the job description. Follow the software development skill. And if you have any developing, designing, installing software session, these are all the basic requirement from students. Apart from that, you can read that about description of Valvo groups in India. Creating values in India, almost 20 years of experience in Valvo. And these are the skill development, environment, infrastructure, safety, urbanization, driving property in India towards sustainable transport, towards sustainable manufacturing, towards sustainable society. This all they are expecting from students. So if you have all the skills in this value description, you can start apply here and create account and start applying. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.